In front of me is Motorola Edge 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons. First of all, you need to hold your display to tap on this option called Home Settings that will appear at the bottom right corner. Then choose Icon Size. Operate this slider to adjust the size of them and check out Preview at the top. Once you're ready, just go back and your changes will be automatically applied. As you can see, after a few seconds, size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!